So, I just pitched a tent in the dark. I'm in Slovenia.
Baby, don't you cry. I'll get there just as soon as I physically can. Baby, don't you lose your grip. My love's already dead. My love's already dead. In the palm of your hand, in the moon looking down through the misty clouds, yeah. Through the misty clouds. The heart has no border. Remember when we learned that years ago? Tears very. Baby, don't you come.
Well, sometimes things don't go according to plan.
Just keep breathing. I believe. Already dead. My love's already dead. My love's already dead.
Hello YouTube, I hope you're all doing okay. This was a short trip I did back in August this year. Keep your heads up. I'm sure adventure traveling will grow back to what it once was. Heartfelt regards from Austria.